Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into Judgment Day and science. We're going to explore how religious beliefs and scientific facts both view the future. The religious view. Let's start with the religious side. Many religions believe in a special day when people will be judged for their actions. For example, in Islam, this day is called 𝗚𝗘𝗔𝗥𝗔. Christians refer to it as Judgment Day. And there are similar ideas in other religions too. This belief means a higher power, maybe God, will see how people live their lives. For many, this guides their daily choices, helping them be kind and do the right thing. The science view. Now, let's jump to the science side. Science helps explain the world using experiments and observations. It's all about the facts. One big concern is climate change. This is when Earth's weather patterns change because of things like pollution. Here, the judgment is about seeing the results of our actions on the planet. Finding common ground. Some might wonder, can these two views work together? The answer is yes. Many religious experts and scientists are coming together. They want to find ways to take the best from both worlds. Imagine if kids learned both the values from religion and the facts from science. They would be well equipped to make good choices. By using both views, we can inspire actions that are kind to others and good for our planet. Why this matter? You might ask, why is this important? It's because understanding both sides can help us make a better world. Every day, we make choices. Knowing what religions teach and what science says can guide us in the right direction. To wrap up, Judgment Day and science offer different but valuable ideas. Together, they can help us understand our world and make it better. If this voyage captivated your spirit and curiosity, do us a favor. Smash that like button, share the wonders with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more.